The body is the servant of the mind. It obeys. Whether your thoughts are chosen consciously or allowed unconsciously. At the command of fearful thoughts, the body weakens. At the influence of anxious thoughts, the nervous system trembles. At the repetition of resentment, tension becomes permanent. Disease is not random. Health is not accidental. Both are rooted in thought. Fear can kill as surely as a weapon. Anxiety opens the door to illness. Envy poisons the blood. Malice disturbs the nerves. But the opposite is equally true. Strong thoughts build strength. Pure thoughts build vitality. Peaceful thoughts build balance. The body is plastic. It responds. It adapts. It mirrors the mental climate you create. A cheerful mind is medicine. A disciplined mind is immunity. A serene mind is renewal. You cannot feed the body with poison and expect health, but you also cannot feed the mind with poison and expect vitality. Change of diet is powerless without change of thought. Wrinkles are not drawn by age alone. They are carved by worry. They are shaped by pride. They are formed by bitterness. Look at two faces, one aged yet radiant, another young yet hardened. The difference is not time. The difference is mental atmosphere. If you would strengthen the body, guard the mind. If you would renew the body, purify the mind. Admit light into your thinking. Admit goodwill. Admit serenity. Because there is no physician like a cheerful thought, no healer like inner peace. Live in suspicion, and you imprison yourself. Live in goodwill, and the body follows. Peace within becomes strength without. The body obeys the ruler, and the ruler is thought.